just boiled the kettle for a nice cup of tea. And I'm going to take you on a tour of my garden. I'm going to take them down some frozen peas because it's been really hot here in the UK recently, last couple of days. So that will cool their core body temperatures down a little bit. And the egg basket. Hi guys, welcome to my garden. Thought I'd give you a bit of a tour. It's a crazy, mad place to be. There they are. Just have to unlock the gate. And we're through. And this is what waits us here. And then there's this group of crazies. It's all pretty quiet. That's Red. That's Cujo, the rooster. That's Hoppy. She's only got one leg. Well, she's got two legs, but one of them's a bit poorly. And we've got Mavis and Maple over there. And we have the rest of them. Welcome to my garden. Backyard. Brummy Lassie's backyard. I'm going to go for a walk over here now. I can show you my river. I have a beautiful little river at the bottom of the garden. Great place to sit and chill. It's beautiful. They seem to just follow me, completely follow me, as you'll see. Come down to the gate. And they all come running. If I can be quite quiet about it. I have a broodie. Her name is Annabelle, and she's currently sat on a clutch of 9 eggs. Try not to disturb her too much, but she's in here. There she is, all quiet and nested. If you can see her there, I'm not sure if you can. There we go. So hopefully in about a week and a half we'll have some baby chicks. It should be proper cool. All being Easter and all that. Easter weekend. I hope you're having a good one. There they all are again. Might as well let the little white one out because she doesn't belong over there, so she's escaped. No, she doesn't want to, does she? No. She'll probably just spend the afternoon running around because they all tend to gang up on the little ones. Hello. Say hello. Right, it's time to collect the silky eggs. There's probably nobody sleeping in there just yet. Here we go. Little different fresh eggs there. That's from just the one nest box. Right. Oh God. They're taking their precious eggs, you see. They're not happy. This is just one day's worth, guys. In there. day's worth of eggs right there. So this section of the garden began its life as a beautiful sunny yellow playhouse that I painted myself, and quite a large sort of dog kennel run. There's doors all the way through, and that's where we started. Now I'll just post you a quick picture of what it used to look like, and for anyone thinking of getting some chickens, that will be the end of your garden. Okay, we're by the chicken swing, and this was my little set there. That's where I sit sometimes in the summer, and there's all my little fairy lights and my wardrobe, plastic outdoor wardrobe for the chickens' treats. And in here, spiders. There's a spare chicken coop there, and feeders. We've got one scamp there. And this one's an interesting story. This is a chicken tractor, and I've got to give a shout out to Richard for this one. Sorry, I nearly fell over. Guy on Facebook Marketplace was offloading this for a £5, would you believe? And it's been a chicken hospital. We've just had some friends' chickens over while they went to India for a fortnight, so it was their little house for that. And my mate Richard, he was selling this on Facebook Marketplace, as I say, and it was going to cost me about 50 quid for a van to get it delivered. And he said, "Oh no, don't worry about that, just give you some fuel money and I'll get it over to you." Well, he pulled up with this thing strapped to the back of his camper van. He said even the police gave him a funny look and sort of shook their heads as they drove past him with this thing strapped to the back. So shout out to Richard, nice one, mate. Anyway, we're down by the river again. Look, there's my beautiful river, and this is where I've offloaded a load of trash from clearing out hedges and such like. There's the back of the greenhouse. We literally we left the glass in the back, but we covered it in some mesh. My compost bin, some bedding, shed load of wood, and my little potting shed that needs a couple of things doing to it. Well, more than a couple, but that's right over the river there. So as you look through the little window, quite a peaceful little place really. There's the ducks. Hello, duck. Quack, quack. Well, that's me, backyard Brummy lass, in my backyard, keeping it real. I hope you enjoyed the little walk around. Anyway guys, catch you later.